Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 4, Practical Geometry, exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. First part is a quadrilateral DE. DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA is equal to 5 centimeter, AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle E is 60 degree, angle A is 90 degree. This is the construction of quadrilateral in which two angles and three sides are given. So here I will simply draw the rough sketch of the figure firstly. Suppose here I have like this a figure. As E is 60 degrees, so I will name the quadrilateral from here DEAR, where DE is 4 centimeter, EA is 5 centimeter, AR is 4.5 centimeter, angle E is 60 degree and angle A is 90 degree. So it is clear from the rough figure. Firstly, we will draw a line segment. EA is equal to 5 centimeter. So let us start construction. Firstly, draw a line segment. EA is equal to 5 centimeter. Here EA is 5 centimeter. Side by side we will write down the steps of construction as we have done in the previous sessions also. So steps of construction is first step is draw a line segment. EA is equal to 5 centimeter. Now from E we will construct an angle of 60 degree. Now I will construct an angle of 60 degree. For this we will draw a semicircle of any radius on E. We are to draw a semicircle of any radius like this. So from here I will mark an arc, and this arc is for angle of 60 degree. Now draw this angle which is equal to 60 degree. Second step of construction is from E construct an angle of 60 degree. Now as we know DE is 4 centimeter, so I will mark an arc of 4 centimeter from E. Now open your compass equal to 4 centimeter. Now from here I will open my compass equal to 4 centimeter and mark the arc that will intersect at D. Name this as X. So the third step of construction is from E mark an arc of 4 centimeter intersecting EX at D. Now next step is to make the angle of 90 degree at A. This is 4 centimeter. Now from A we will construct an angle of 90 degree. So here again draw a circle of any radius that is like this. Now we will mark the arcs. This first arc is for 60 degree and this second arc is for 120, and from these two arcs, from 60 as well as from 120, we will mark the arcs, and the intersection point of these arcs will make the angle of 90 degree. Now this angle is equal to 90 degree. So here I will write down 90 degree and write down the step of construction. From A, construct an angle of 90 degree. Now fifth step of construction is to mark the arc of 4.5 centimeter from A. Now we will open our compass equal to 4.5. Open your compass equal to 4.5 and from A mark the arc. You can extend the line as it is exactly same. So this intersection point is R. This is 4.5 centimeter. Write down the step of construction. From A, mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter intersecting. Take this as Y, EY at R. Now join D to R, and DR is the required quadrilateral. Write down the step of construction. Join D to R and DR is required quadrilateral. In this way, we can construct a quadrilateral in which two angles and three sides are given. Second part is a quadrilateral true in which TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter, RU is equal to 3 centimeter, UE is equal to 4 centimeter, R is equal to 75 degree, angle U is equal to 120 degree. In this question again the same kind of quadrilateral is there in which three sides and two angles are given. Firstly, we will draw the rough sketch for this. Here I will draw a quadrilateral like this. This is RU. This angle is 120 degree as it is given in the question. Angle R is of 75 degree, and of course this vertex will be TR and this vertex will be UE. True. So TR is 3.5 centimeter, RU is 3 centimeter and UE is 4 centimeter. So it is clear from the rough figure that firstly we will draw this line segment RU, and on this point R we will construct an angle of 75 degree, and from U we will construct an angle of 120 degree. So let us start construction. Now firstly draw a line segment equals to 3 centimeter. This is RU, RU 3 centimeter, and write down the steps of construction as well. Steps of construction, and the first step of construction is draw a line segment RU is equal to 3 centimeter. Now from R, construct an angle of 75 degree. So firstly I will draw a semicircle on R like we have done in the previous questions. So here draw a circle, semicircle of any radius, and then mark the arcs. As we are to construct the angle of 75 degree, so whenever you are to construct the angle of 75 degree, 45 degree, 105 degree, firstly we are to construct the angle of 90 degree. Then we will draw the angle of 75 degrees. So here firstly I will draw the angle of 90 degree. That is, I will use the dotted line to construct the angle of 90 degree. Here I have constructed the angle of 90 degree, and now as this point is for 90 degree, so I will mark the arc from 90, one arc from 90 and the other arc from 60 degree. The point lying between 60 degree and 90 degree is 75 degree. So this angle will be equals to 75 degree. So take this point as X. Now write down the step of construction as well. Second step of construction is from R, construct an angle of 75 degree. Now third step of construction is from R we are to mark an arc of 3.5 centimeter. So we will open our compass equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now open your compass equal to 3.5 centimeter and mark the arc from R. You will get the vertex T. Now write down the step of construction. From R, mark an arc of 3.5 centimeter intersecting RX at T. Now next is to construct an angle of 120 degree from U. So now from U, construct an angle of 120 degree. This first arc is for 60 degree and this second arc will be for 120 degree. So here this angle is of 120 degree. From U, construct an angle of 120 degree. Now next is to mark the arc of 4 centimeter as UE is 4 centimeter. So open your compass equal to 4 centimeter. Now mark the arc of 4 centimeter from U. You will get point E This is point E. This arc is marked from U, that is 4 centimeter. Now write down the step of construction, that is from U mark an arc of 4 centimeter intersecting UY at E. Now join E to T. Join this E to T. Next step is join E to T, and true is the required quadrilateral. So students, this is all about exercise 4.4, in which 3 sides and 2 angles are given. Thank you.